Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your picture bigger in the Photopea app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap on to the Simple Editor button and tap on to Choose from Library to add the photo and choose one photo that you want to edit. Now to make the picture bigger, tap on to the crop like button at the top. Then simply pinch the photo and zoom in just like this. And then here you can see you have made the photo bigger. Now adjust the size of the photo and tap on to done. And that's it. This is how you can make your picture bigger using the Photopea app. It is very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.